Hello everyone, we are glad to welcome you on the HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can assign roles in Discord. So once you have enough server permissions, you can just go ahead and enter the desired Discord server settings. Onwards, enter the roles category at the user management field. In here, create a role that you would like to assign if you haven't already, or just choose the role from the list of existing ones. So let's say I'll go with admin. Then go for the members, add members, and choose who you would like to assign this role with, or assign this role to rather. And well, here you have it. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.